Hello and welcome to the tutorial for Windows 10. This tutorial is for users of Windows 7 who are moving to Windows 10. Features of Windows 10 I'll show you. The first feature is the new start menu. The new start menu, you can increase the size of it up and down. You can increase it widthwise also, as I'll show here. Another feature of the new start menu is the new live tiles, as you can see on the right. These new live tiles include different games that you've installed from the store and the store itself, and some of Microsoft's apps. The first app I'll show you is the new browser, Windows Edge. It has a new note feature which you can draw on pages with a pen. You can change the color of the pen if you like. You can also highlight different text, multiple text if you want. You can erase things that you may have made a mistake. You can also make a note anywhere in the page. Another thing you can do is you can copy certain areas, and that copies it to the clipboard. You can paste on another document. Another thing, you can save it to OneNote, you can save it to your favorites, or you can save it to your reading list. The reading list is a list of pages that allow you to have a look at later and read later. We're going to exit that, and the next app I will show you is the store. Store is where you get all your apps. So all the apps here, you can get apps, games, music, films and TV. You can see here there's quite a few here. Some are free, but quite a few are paid. We'll just close that up. Next feature I'll show you is Cortana. Cortana, you can tell her to do things similar to Siri and Google Now. It's not working for me, but can work for you. You can ask it to play music, anything, look up stuff for you. And the next feature I'll show you is the new settings app. New settings app. It hasn't got as many features as the control panel from Windows 7, but you also still have your old control panel. This has everything you'd want to control, while the settings app has majority of most used things. It doesn't have all the advanced stuff. The next feature I'll show you will be the desktop switching. Just close off Cortana there. Right, we have two desktops here. You can use one desktop and have apps open. You can open new desktops, as you can see there. You can have an app open on one desktop, and you can have more apps open on another desktop. Similar to having multiple screens, but if you only have one screen, you want to have all your apps open, you can open multiple desktops. I'm just showing you here, you can open an app on one desktop, and then you can flick to another desktop and have a new desktop. You can also flick between them with the Control Windows key and arrow keys, and you can also exit them with Control Windows key F4, as I've just done there. The apps that you've got open will switch over to the desktops that are open, so it doesn't close those apps when you close those desktops. It just automatically moves them over to the next available desktop. You can also close them there, like that. And the new file system is showing all the frequent folders that you most frequently use and the last files that you use, so that if you're using a folder or a file on a regular, it'll be there, easy to get to. You don't have to go through the file system to find it. And that is it for the Windows 10 tutorial. The features we have gone over in this video are the new Start menu, Microsoft Edge, the App Store, Cortana, desktop switching, the Settings app, and the Quick Access File Explorer. I hope you found this video was helpful, And that is all for the tutorial. Goodbye.